We're just north of Lafayette in Indiana. We've traveled north on Highway 65, now on Highway 231. We're standing in front of a cornfield. We did get a downpour of for about 2-3 hours. A lot of farmers have been saying that there's been a lot of dew in the morning, which is helping the crops. But as we've traveled north, the crops in Indiana, both beans and corn, maybe getting a little worse. So we're getting a little bit more of that variation in growth stages in corn and smaller size planted beans, probably planted late. And we're standing in front of a soybean field. Not a bad looking field, although it hasn't filled out the rows as we've seen in other parts of the states. And as we travel further east and south, some of the corn is looking dry. We're getting some corn that's looking pretty yellow at the bottom. Forecast we're calling for rain yesterday and today. The radar doesn't look like it's showing a lot of rain here today in the U.S. Midwest. This corn here, tasseling, it's silking. You can see the corn ear. Looks like things are good, but get some rain soon. This kernel is going to have a tough time filling. We're just finishing up our tour in Indiana. We're going to be crossing the Ohio border here. We're on Highway 36 traveling east, and we're at a soybean field. This is probably the best soybean field I've seen on our tour thus far. It's nice and tall. We got lots of flowers in here. Looks healthy and dark green. So if I was to conclude about Indiana, I think a good 80+% of the corn and beans are looking really good here in Indiana. Probably need some rain, but other than that, thus far so good.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com Risk Management, where we provide leading grains and livestock commodity marketing advice and services. Sign up for a free trial of our marketing recommendations and newsletters.